purpose of Office of Human Resources at Habib University is to have a happy, healthy and motivated work culture. empowerHER is one such program that is fulfilling a few of our objectives. We want to make sure that our workplace is equitable. At the same time, this focuses on employee well-being, and we also want to make sure that our women are learning unique skill set to provide them the confidence and to break barriers. We're having a series of workshops, forums, conferences that will focus on skill development or employee well-being. First workshop is the Auto Mechanics Skill Development Workshop. For this, we have collaborated with Indus Motors company, and they will be conducting a workshop to help train our staff. This focuses on women who specifically drive to work to ensure their safety on roads. Provided they're stuck in any particular situation, they're able to take care of themselves. So within the empowerHER program, our second such initiative is centered around the mental and physical well-being of our women employees. We want to make sure that our women are aware about the health choices that they have to make. To achieve this objective, we're collaborating with leaders of the healthcare industry. In addition to this, we also have a financial independence and literacy workshop that is lined up. We aim to make sure that our women are financially savvy and fiscally strong. To conclude the empowerHER series, we want to have a conference in which we invite the women from across industries, and we make sure that the word of empowerHER reaches out from Habib University to all the women out there who are working. We're really excited to launch the empowerHER series, and we're looking forward to your enthusiastic participation.